Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a cover image that you can use for courses and any digital programs. So we can really just go with any template. It doesn't really have to be anything, one of these templates specifically, because they will generally all work for us. So I guess it's just a matter of finding the design that you like the most and then just sort of customizing that template for the course. So in this case, I might actually go with the Facebook covers because they're usually pretty close in terms of how how a course cover might look like. So I think they'll be easier to modify, but feel free to use any of the other template categories to do this. So in this case, I'm going to be designing a Chinese for Love course, which is basically for people who are learning Chinese for their partners. Their partner speaks Chinese and they want to be able to communicate with them. So let's go with this first image here. And let's adjust the image a little bit so that we can make it a little bit more in line with the color theme that I already have. Let's see. Actually, this one might be better. Actually, yeah. Let's go with this one. Okay, so now that we've got the image up, let's change the title so it's Chinese for Love, and then it's an audio program, so we'll say an online audio course. And let's now this doesn't really convey what I want, so let's get some. So let's get my logo up. So we'll put this like so. And then let's get rid of this. And this. Don't make this here either. Let's have it right here. A bit more there. Okay, and let's make it a little bit smaller. Now let's look for some photos. These photos generally they come from copyright-free images that you can use, and so you can use them generally freely on your site without having to worry about copyright infringement. Maybe we'll actually try to see if there are any elements that we can use. Okay. No, maybe this one. Yeah, this one looks better. Okay, and then let's maybe rotate it a little bit to make it look a bit more interesting. Okay, maybe it's a little bit bigger. There we go. Let's send this to the back because you can see that. Oh, it's already at the back. Let's see what happens when. Oh, okay, it's already at the back. Cool. Yeah, I was going to send this to the back because I thought that this was going to cover this image. So if that was the case, then for example, if I wanted this to be behind this, then I can send this one in terms of the position. I can send it to the background, but that doesn't need to be the case now because it's already. Oh wait, no, it's not. So we can send this back. There we go. Yep. Okay. Cool. All right. So I think this looks good. And that's pretty much it. So now we can download this image. Actually, let's rename it to Chinese for Love audio course cover. Just do it like this. Then download, and then you can adjust the dimensions as you need. Okay, so this is where I'm adding all of the images, and let's go back here. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this as an image here. Image, and then upload. And then let's choose the image. And voila,